Oh hi there! Today I'll show you an unusual tutorial for my channel. I'll show you how to make a trap for wasps that haunt your yard, fruit garden and sting you for no reason. For this you'll need a knife, something sweet like candy for a bait, any bottle and water. As you can see, wasps are everywhere. Trap is a must. I can't even record DUI without these devil beings. When you found yourself a safe spot, get ready to take revenge. Start with taking off the etiquette from the bottle, it's useless. Then cut bottle in half so you can make similar trap to mine. You can use any type of bottle you want. When trap construction is done, start making alluring liquid. You can use anything sweet like cola, sugar, honey or fruit. Use anything that you won't eat anymore. Then pour everything into our trap. Then seal all emergency exits with tape. One-way ticket for them. And here's our first trap. Tempting. You should set up traps as close as possible to enemy base or location of their secret planning hideout. Here's my trap made out of jar and with some holes in the cap. I suggest making more than one trap because the more, the better. Here you can see this epic battlefield. I won't give up. These apples are mine, you selfish devils. Here's the briefing of our first mission. The least effective trap is the one made out of simple bottle. Traps made of the jar and plastic bottles are much better. Our first trap with a pretty good catch. Looks like the best ones are made of the jar. Pretty easy, quick to make and easy to clean up. Thank you for watching. I hope that you will earn your victory in the battlefield. Every like and subscription makes me closer to victory over these devils.